Okay, here's we're gonna start. I'm not gonna do the fight anymore because it's kind of getting too dramatic. Yeah, let's start. Um, yeah. Let's start into the chicken sandwich. Elizabeth. Elizabeth. Patricia! Honey, get changed. You need to get ready for middle school. Mm. All right, perfect. Oh, honey, can you come here, please? Okay. Honey, we need to talk. Why do you have my wallet? Please don't tell me you put anything in it. Actually, I gave you $20 to spend on because I know your school is going on a fundraiser, and I just want you to buy your own lunch and split $5 for the fundraiser. That's it? Yep. Here you go. Make sure to spend wisely for your lunch, okay? I am not able to pack your lunch right now. Uh, I guess. Thank you. Yes, can you wake up the twins for me? I'm kind of too late to wake them up. Yeah, sure, Mom. Yeah. Oh my God. When was she I hope she does this right like last time. Mom said to wake up! Huh? Okay. Okay. Do you still want to be in the robe? Yes. What a nice day to start and wake up! Yeah, yes. Now shut your botch ass up. I don't want to wake up. Isaac, you don't wake up. And guess what? What? I'll make sure you move out of the house when you turn 15. I'm up. Okay, great. Mom needs you to the kitchen. It better not be something stupid. I know, right? Okay. Ooh, can you buy something with your wallet? What do you want? Can I have a Sonic toy? No. You're greedy. You know that's a sin, right? I'm greedy. No, I need this for a fundraiser. That's called greedy. Those people who are raising a fundraiser are greedy. They're saving money for people. Never mind, I take my words back. Come on. You need it. Mom, they're here. Alright, perfect. I made your bottles. Set them up. Okay. Give me my wallet back. Wrong one. Okay. Okay, you both will have a cookie each. Pretty cool. Here's your milk. And here's your milk, Isaac. I bet this milk will be so tasty. Yes, Mom. Could you make me a quick breakfast? I'm gonna try to think something up, okay? Alright, Mom. Go pack your stuff. Alright. Whoa, something is sizzling. Ooh, smells very yummy. I'm gonna just get my lunch box. It's pretty sunny out. It is August. I can't wait for September. We get to have a break. When it's August 31, it is pajama day and then we get to have a break. but sadly, it's the 19th. But it's okay. Okay. A little pencil. Should I work on my Dandy's World sketch? Nah, I can work on it later. On home. Lunch bag. Money. Pads. Phone. Hope I didn't forget anything. Seems legit. Mom, something is sizzling. What is it? Oh, sorry. I was just heating it in the heaters, and then I was putting it in the oven to make it a little cheesy and toasty. Pizza! Yes, hon. I'm gonna serve you a drink. Just go sit down right now. Okay. Now, do you want the pizza cold, warm, medium warm? And honey, you almost forgot. Yes, Mom? You almost forgot your water bottle. Oh, yeah. There you go. You want strawberry? Yes, I want strawberry. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna serve you in a plate. Okay. Honey, your pizza's here. Now blow on it gently and take a bite. Just make sure to hurry up. If you don't want the crust, don't eat the crust, okay? All right, Mom. And yeah, and I can't believe you. Yeah, and I wish I was you guys. What? Excuse me? Pardon me? Yeah, I said I want to be like you guys. What's wrong, sissy? Don't you like your life? You get to be older and, you get the most attention, but you get a lot of expensive prizes since you're the oldest. I know, but I wish I had your life. Why our life? Because you have breaks. In July, until July 8th, and September 30th. I need to go to school until the 30th. And then I have a break in September. Oh yes, we have a break right now. Oh yes, today's August... What? August 19th. Yes, August 19th. Oh. Okay. Do you still want to be like this? Duh. I gotta eat. Elizabeth, are you done? Starting. Finish up. Okay. Here's the dishes, Mom. Have a nice day. Have a nice day too, sweetheart. Hi, Dad. Hey. Bye, Dad. Oi, mate. Oh, hello. What brings you here? Just a simple lunch, you know. You got it, sir. Let me guess. A chicken burrito. On the house? On the house, mate? What's with a side of soda, please. All right, coming out for you. Here you go. Thanks, sir. Okay, I already got a few bills out of my pocket. Yeah. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, can I just put my wallet in? Okay. Yeah. Bye. Oh, wait, you forgot to give me the dollar. Alright. Bye, mate. Bye, sir. I'm so tired of running all the way from getting lunch. What? What happened to my locker? You know, I shouldn't be over-exaggerating. I'm lucky to even have all of these stuff without one of them getting stolen. Hey, my strings got stolen. This one had more. Whatever. That darn person, if it's in my class, I'm gonna prove them wrong. Anyways, why do they even need a why do they even literally need to literally budge and literally go through my stuff? Like, I don't have anything in there. I only have scissors and strings for my Astro Plus. Like, for my Astro plush. Why are they... anyways, I won't even budge and even ask. Okay. Let's go now. Just pretend you don't see the potato chips down here like it's for the next scene. Okay. Where's the girl? I forgot her name, so I'm gonna just make sure. Where's Madison? Oh, Madison. She moved to another school. Damn, my poor girl. Anyways, who's she? Class, you know what to do. Everybody. Aye! You guys, since she wasn't here for 2 minutes, let's introduce her to the student. Wait a minute. That's my string. That's my black string. Whatever, I'm gonna confront her in lunch. Class, the girl is Genevieve. Genevieve? Or Genevieve? Genevieve. Stupid Lambo. It's not funny. What's your name? I'm Elizabeth. Oh, that's a coincidence. Because my last name is Beth. Beth? Yes. Bette. You mean H? Oh, yes. Silly me. Okay. Hey, Andrea. Hi. Shoot, I forgot my book. Now, everybody, we're learning the quadratic formula. Now, write down our steps. F, P. It means for foot on place and place. Because we need to get something on our paper, right? And not sit there. Hey, why are you looking at me? Especially you. You don't do much work, Ji-young. What do you mean I do a lot of work? And you? Why me? Eliza, you're just like Ji-young. Get to work. Okay. Get to work, class, please. And then we'll solve this all together. I am so hungry. I wish I was just like Elizabeth. She's so pretty, skinny, and attractive. Hey, Genevieve, you okay? Huh? Are you okay? You're coughing upwardly. Yes, Elizabeth. Thank you for checking up on me. I don't like to go to school. Anyways, class, we're going to go over this. Anyways. Meanwhile, they're going over it. Teacher explaining. I'm so hungry. Woohoo! I got some chips. I didn't know I had this in my pocket. I'ma open it. Yummy, smelly chips. Let me eat one. What's that noise? We don't know. Yes, we don't know, teacher. Okay, let's continue then. They're so good. I want more. Yeah, and that's how you solve it, This is so good. That's it. Who is eating in my classroom? Passes back to Elizabeth. Huh? I'm sorry, Elizabeth. No, please. I'll do anything, Elliot. Sorry. Mr. Teacher, Elizabeth is the one eating in the classroom. Elizabeth, how could you? You know rats can come in, right? It wasn't me. I am not eating. Licks fingers. It's Genevieve. What? I'm not eating chips. I'm actually hungry, guys. I'm sorry. It's not me. It's you. I told you to put it away. Elizabeth, do you need to go on a lunch break? No, I do not want to miss lunch. Well then, we'll get prepared for lunch and then study some mathematics and then do our marble runs and then go home. Okay, Mr. Teacher. I forgot his. Late afternoon. Finally, we get to go to bed. What? Oh yeah, just a win. Finally, we get to go to home. Again and again. Oh sure, I forgot I have homework. Nah, I still have 25 minutes if I wake up. Morning. Yeah. Okay. Stuff away. Okay, close curtains. Ooh, I know. I will wear this tomorrow. Now, time to go to bed. Oh wait, no, my computer. There you go. Time to go to bed. Next morning. Yes, good thing today is a free day because we don't get to bring bags and it's just like an auditorium speech. Yay! Okay, guys, we are going to our meeting. And wait! Huh? I'm sorry I'm late, teacher. That's okay. the hell? Bish, are you seeing this? She's wearing your same clothes. I can see that. She almost has the same hair dye as you. I thought she was brunette yesterday. She was. How did she straighten her hair? I don't know. What the? Amy, meet me at the stall after lunch. Okay.